How's it going, guys? My name is Cheeky and welcome back to another video. I am still based in Trincomalee on the northeastern side of Sri Lanka, my favorite spot in Sri Lanka so far. I'm staying at an awesome hostel called the Laughing Leopard. It's just run by the coolest people. It has the best energies. It feels like my family for sure. And it's been really cool because I've stayed there for like 3 weeks, so I see all the travelers coming and going, and it's just really nice forming like really close bonds with a certain amount of people for like 3 days, and then a whole new bunch of people come through and I make another special bond. So it's just been, yeah, such a cool experience being here. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope it makes you smile and get out there and explore. Peace.
Hi, welcome to Laughing Leopard. Okay, no. Damn, you need to swim.
Manu, you're working hard here, man. It's tough, eh? This guy's cooked.
Yeah, coming first chicken. You put the grill on this thing, please, on the fire.
Rayon has been given a break now from this.